In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download and install apps on an ASUS laptop or computer. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, there's obviously a lot of different reasons that you might want to install apps here on your computer, and there's two methods to do this. We're going to start with both of them. The first one is pretty simple. What you need to do is essentially just open up a web browser and go to the developer's website. So for example, if I want to, get something like, Fortnite, right, or Epic Games, I'd search for epicgames.com, and then once I'm on the developer's website, just look up in the top right and then find the download button. Now, essentially, it's not always going to be up in the top right. You might have to scroll down a little bit and look for it, but find download on here and simply go ahead and just select it. As soon as you go ahead and select it, it's going to download the installer. Then just simply open up the installer and go through with the installation process. I already have Epic Games, so I'm not going to continue with it anymore, but that's one way that you can download applications or games here on your computer. What you can also do is download them through the Microsoft Store as well. Hit search down at the very bottom and then simply go ahead and type in Microsoft Store and hit enter. Once you go ahead and do that, look on the left hand sidebar, you're going to see an app section, you're going to see a gaming section, you're going to see themes down here as well. This doesn't really matter as much, but essentially just go up to like apps, then up at the top you could search for something in specific. If you were looking for something like an auto clicker, right? Here's one right here. I could go ahead and grab this and install it just like so. And then once it does install, it's either going to have like a little desktop shortcut icon, or you could just search it down here as well. And it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.